Hi, so how you can make $500 to $1,000 per day or per week, whatever is your wish, with Google Ads affiliate marketing using ClickBank or MaxWeb affiliate networks. So first of all, if you're a newbie watching this video, what is affiliate marketing? It's basically 3 simple steps. The first step is you promote company product. Second step, your audience actually buys the product that you promote on your website, and then you make money. So 3 simple, easy steps to follow, right? So now let's go straight into it, because I know you're watching this video, you are wondering, okay, please tell me, how can I get this kind of results? As you can see, like later, if you're gonna follow me, right, you can find me also on Facebook, but most commonly, as you can see here, right, you can even find me out here on my Instagram page, and you can contact me, right? So if you have any kind of questions or you wanna have better results, like, you can find me out here, right? So let's go straight into it with Google Ads. Why I'm choosing Google Ads again is because we're looking for buyers leads. Who are buyers? The people who are buying the products. So for example, let's say I'm on ClickBank or MaxWeb and I'm promoting keto diet product, or I don't know, weight loss supplement like this, right? I'm promoting to the men's audience or females, right? Promoting weight loss supplement. Now you have to understand, my strategy is to create 5 different ad groups. Why 5? For the same product. Why the heck would you create 5? Why not 1 ad? 5? Very important strategy and secret is because, first of all, the ad group number 1, for example, can be for this same product, right? Same, we have this product, okay? Imagine this is the product. And then we have 5 ad groups for this product. So number 1 would be for males living in US, 35 to 65 years old, who are having diabetes or cancer, for example, diabetes. They need to lose weight. Remember, all of these 5 audiences, as you can see here, ad groups, are people, not AI robots. People, human beings with problems that they need solutions to, okay? So we have keto diet, number 1 group. Second one, diabetes. Third one, for example, could be yoga, Pilates. The fourth one could be, for example, fitness, muscle gain, right? And the 5th one could be also fat loss, right? Belly fat loss. So we have different 5 groups for the same freaking product, right? But that's very important thing. No one is teaching this. No one on ClickBank or MaxWeb, no gurus are teaching with any kind of coaches or masterminds or coaching groups or courses are not teaching this strategy, which is very simple. You have to understand where is your audience at a time when you are promoting to them. Now, I'm choosing Google pay-per-click ads, meaning we are targeting people by keywords. So what they are typing in when they are having a problem or pain, when they're looking for the solutions to solve their pain and problem, right? So for example, imagine I'm at night, I'm having a back pain, right? So, or maybe I just went to a doctor and he told me, if you don't change your lifestyle, or don't go to the gym, or don't take weight loss supplement, you're going to get cancer or diabetes very soon. So of course you are in the fear, so you're looking for the solutions, and that's what's happening with most of people. They're looking for the solutions to the pain and problems on Google. So they go and Google their symptoms, right? They Google it, and if you did your job right as an affiliate on your blog page, article, landing page, whatever website you want to call it, blog, you can get that person in the aha moment exactly, remember, exactly when they're looking for the solution. So very important thing. If you want to become super affiliate and make thousands of dollars per day with affiliate marketing, right? The next thing is sales funnel or marketing funnel. You see, there are 5 different audiences. Awareness level. Have you ever heard anyone talking about this? Let me know in the comments below, or text me later in the Instagram or Facebook. Anyone told you about audience awareness levels before on ClickBank or any course you bought? No? Good, because I will tell you right now the secret that I could charge you thousands of dollars for. Easy $1,000 to $2,000 for this secret, which is awareness levels are very important. So for example, you need to have message to market match, right? If you have your ad here and your relevancy score is so low, it will not match with your audiences, right? It's mismatch. So it's mismatch. You're promoting this product, but I don't know, the person is a Muslim who is looking for a vegan, I don't know, or beef supplement, for example, right? Or jelly, whatever, right? This is a totally different thing, right? They're looking to buy a car and you're promoting them horse steak, right? So it's different thing. Now, what you have to understand is this. very important distinction, which is fundamental strategy of direct response affiliate marketing. You have to understand your audience on a deeper emotional level, right? And the most important thing is we have 5 levels. Product aware audiences, it means the product aware audiences are smart. They already know which product they want. They know they have pain. They need a solution. I want to buy this product, or I want to buy this iPhone, right? Or this MacBook or whatever, right? They already know. So they go on product review pages and they buy from product review pages. And if you're smart, you can do that too. And you're going to have lots of money up front because you are basically putting yourself in front to the final step before they make a buying decision. They just buy straight from you, right? Very smart decision. The next thing is totally unaware audiences. Those are people who don't know they have a problem and they don't know they need a solution. Now, the stupid thing that you could do is you could put a product before and after picture and advertise to the people, those audiences who don't even know they have a problem. They don't even know they are fat. They don't even know they are overweight, right? So they don't know. And you're trying to sell them something they don't know about. They have a problem about. So that's a stupid thing you can do, right? It wouldn't be very wise thing to do. So once we work together one-on-one, you will begin to realize, heck man, I can make so much more money by just changing the messaging in my ads and messaging on my landing page. Very important thing, right? Because we are not selling, we are pre-selling, okay? We are marketers. The next thing is we have unaware audiences, we have product aware audiences, and niche aware audiences. They are in the niche, they are in the keto diet space, they like fitness, they like whey protein, they like to buy weight loss supplements, right? They're already there, but they just don't know which product is very good. So that's your job as an affiliate to position it correctly. And again, don't have to worry. Keep it very simple. Do not overcomplicate, right? Once you work together, you begin to realize, heck, I can make much more money, right? By having someone to mentor me and coach me along the way, one-on-one, step by step, and show me the ropes, hand-holding me along the way, and give me actually the strategy, the blueprint that can take me to get to my first, I don't know, 300, 500, 600 US dollars per day profit, right? It's not that bad. So that's the strategy. The next thing is, if you're watching this video, right, and if you really want to get results, what we can do is we can get on the unstuck session. So what is basically an unstuck session? So you and me, personally, one-on-one, can have a cup of coffee together or tea, 15, 20 minutes, 25 minutes, whatever, 30 minutes, I don't care. It's entirely up to you. We get together on a Zoom call or a Skype call for free, right, and have a conversation about you, where you are at, and where you are going, where you want to go, what is your situation like, how much money you have for the ad spend. So then we can work out some kind of strategy, right, to see where you can go. Can I help you or I can't, right? So very important thing. You have to be honest with yourself and me to know where we can go together, right? So I believe in you, and if you're watching this video, what you can do is also subscribe to my YouTube channel, right? Over here you can subscribe to my channel, like this video, and connect with me one-on-one. All the links are in the description below. My Facebook, Instagram, email, and WhatsApp, right? The first thing and the last thing I'm going to tell you is this. Do not reach out to me if you don't have minimum 1,000 US dollars to invest. Why? Because from 1,000 to 10,000 dollars, if you have, it's a great mark. Great mark. Even 5,000, 6,000 US dollars is very good, or 1,000 dollars, right? But minimum 1,000 US dollars you need to have to begin with. Very important. Why? Because if you really want to have $10,000 per month, ask yourself, is it worth it? Do I love myself enough to invest in me minimum $1,000 to get the results? I don't know, $3,000 per month, $10,000, $8,000 per month, or euros, wherever you live, right? Is it worth it to have these kind of crazy results? Ask yourself, because if you start traditional business, open restaurant, open hotel, open car repair shop, you have to put down a lot of money up front. You have to put down in traditional business, right? Brick and mortar business, tens of thousands, if not more, of dollars up front without any return. So why complain and moan about putting down $5,000 or $3,000 or $2,000 to get you better future and better results? With affiliate marketing, of course, promoting other people's products using Google ads or even Facebook ads. But in this case, Google ads are the best because we're looking for quality buyer leads. Again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share this video, and you can connect with me one-on-one.